Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an S3 bucket using Terraform. Let's start. The first thing is authenticating to AWS. I'm created an EAM user and given it the exact set of EAM roles that are needed to perform the different actions that I'm doing. Then we're gonna run the AWS configure command, and that will allow us to pass the secret access key, the access key ID that correspond to the EAM user created, and the region. After that, we create our file. The first file is main.tf, where we're gonna define our resource. The second one is the provider.tf, where we're gonna define our provider information. Then the Terraform.tf vars, where we're gonna define the value of each variable, and vars.tf, where we're gonna put our variable type. After creating our file, we're gonna create the S3 bucket that's gonna represent our state. So we go to AWS Management Console, then create a bucket. We pass the bucket name, and we select create the bucket. I think the bucket is already exists with this name, so I'm gonna add -AWS and confirm again. So our S3 state bucket is created right now. We go back to VS Code to set our provider information. We start by typing the required Terraform version installed in our laptop. To check the version installed, you have to type in the console Terraform dash version, and you will find it. After that, we're gonna define the backend, which is an S3 bucket. So I'll be storing the remote state in this S3 bucket just created previously. And that backend block takes 3 fields. The first one is the bucket name, the key, and the region. So the key corresponds to the path and name of the state file within the bucket, and the region corresponds to the region of the S3 bucket. After that, we're gonna define the provider default region. We're gonna put its value in a variable. Then we go back to the main.tf file to create our resource. our resource gonna be an S3 bucket. So we have to define it by typing AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket and the name that we want to give it to this bucket, which gonna be in our case demo underscore bucket underscore Terraform. So the bucket required two fields. The first one is the bucket name, and we're gonna add the tags, which is optional. After creating our resource, we will give to each variable a type. So we're gonna start with the first variable, which is the region. It will take the type string. The second variable gonna be the bucket name, which gonna be also a string. And the third one, it's gonna be the tag. It will take the type any. Then we're gonna define the value of each variable. So the region, its US is 2. Then we have the bucket name. And the tag. That will take two fields. The first one is the name. And the second field is the environment, which is the dev environment in our case. After finishing our 4 Terraform file, we're gonna type Terraform init in the console to prepare the working directory so Terraform can run the configuration. Gonna wait a little bit. It takes a few seconds. After that, we type Terraform plan that create an execution plan which lets you preview the changes that Terraform plan to make to your infrastructure. You see, we have one resource created. Then we type Terraform apply. To apply that plan, we type yes. We have an error because we use an underscore which not allowed, so we're gonna change it to hyphen and run. Put the Terraform apply again. We type yes. We have another error that tells us that the bucket name is already exists. So we did change it by adding hyphen test. We execute the command Terraform apply again. We type yes. Now we have one resource added. I'm gonna check that in the AWS management console. Yes, it's already created. So to remove this created infrastructure, we have to execute the command Terraform destroy. That will gonna remove everything created using Terraform. Here is the resource that's gonna be removed. We type yes. We wait a few seconds and everything is destroyed right now. If we refresh the page, we cannot see the packet created using Terraform in the interface anymore. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.